Chris Brown has entered into a joint venture with John Dean, the founder of Renowned, with the intention of increasing his influence in the spheres of streetwear and NFTs. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which help us provide more content. If you're looking to grow your NFTs, crypto or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resources links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books, and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. The dynamic duo intends to establish a common platform for music, fashion, and art with their partnership. The Collabs NFT collection, dubbed the Oracles, and the accompanying tactile streetwear pieces will debut on May 10, 2022. Brown's inclination toward NFTs came into the public eye when he shared the news of his first NFT purchase with fans in November last year. On April 26, 2022, Chris Brown teased the first look of his debut NFT launch via Twitter. The new Flame singer's decision makes sense because he has always combined his successful music career with his art. Chris chose the Oracle, a black shapeshifting superhero who travels through the time to influence the world, as the visage of his new NFT collection. The Chris Brown X Renowned items will be delivered in selected avatars and can also be redeemed as physical items. Furthermore, Next Gen Creative Studios will be assisting the two in their latest blockchain venture. Dean said the project, which aims to educate creatives in the crypto Web3 community, was led by an all-black creative team of web developers and 3D designers. It was created in partnership with Black NFT Art, an online media company that provided 111 free NFTs to black people who were new to the NFT space. We believe that Web3 has the potential to correct a lot of issues that exist in the real world. Web3 and NFTs will allow creatives to actually profit from their creations while still owning their narrative, Dean said in a press release. This is an opportunity to level the playing field when it comes to collectibles, entertainment, and media. With so much influence, why can't we be in control of our narratives and create the next big superhero? Why can't we be the next Murakami, Cause, or bigger? The Oracles NFT collection and physical streetwear pieces are expected to launch on May 10. It was also disclosed during the press conference that their efforts are being led by an all-black 3D design and development team. Besides the NFTs, Chris Brown has also designed an assortment of whimsical streetwear pieces in association with Renowned. The apparel capsule will be launched alongside the NFTs. It includes hoodies, t-shirts, shorts, snapback hats, and more. If you're looking to grow your NFTs, crypto or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resources links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books, and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today. If you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which help us provide more content.